Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make butter icing without a mixer. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. So here I have margarine. This is 250 grams of margarine. You can use butter. You can also use vegetable shortening. So I'll be putting this margarine into a dry bowl. And I'll be mixing and creaming this until very light and soft. So I'll be doing this for about 20 to 25 minutes. So this video is basically on how to make butter icing. And Nigerians love butter icing cakes for birthdays. That's what I've come to observe. They so much love butter icing cakes for birthdays, and they go for fondant cakes, for weddings, and but most people have seen love butter icing cakes for birthdays. So guys, like I said, make sure you cream until very soft and light. This is very important. So this is okay. Here I have icing sugar. This is 500 grams of icing sugar. And as you guys can see, I've poured it into a sifter and I'll be sifting this icing sugar. This is very important. So make sure you sift your icing sugar. Very important. Very important. So this is it, and I'll be pouring it into the creamed margarine. So this measurement I'm using gives a very perfect butter icing recipe for covering your cakes, for designing your cakes. So you'll be doing this for about 20 minutes. You'll be mixing it for like 20 minutes. So guys, this is easy to make when you have the right measurements. You can be creative with butter icing. That's one thing I like about butter icing. You can be so creative with your designs. And you can also use it to design fondant cakes. You can use it as a border on fondant cakes. You can use it to write. You can use it to, just be creative with it. So this is it. It's okay. Then here I have butterscotch flavor. You can use any flavor you want. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon butterscotch flavor. There are so many flavors out there, vanilla, so many of them, milk flavor, so many. So you can go for the one you want. So as you guys can see, I'm mixing in everything together. Here I have 1 tablespoon water. So this water helps it to dry fast. It makes the butter icing dry fast. So stir in everything very, very well, and this is it. So you can use butter icing to make designs. All right, so here I have a piping set with nozzles. All right, different nozzles, like different designs that you can play around with and come up with different nice designs. All right, so as you guys can see, these are different designs. They also have this white one. All right, so they do the same job. So this is how this particular one looks like. It's a piping set. You can use it to design your cake. You can use it to design your butter icing cake. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So I'll be fixing the nozzle. And you can use just one nozzle to come up with different design, like one nozzle to come up with as much as design you want. Just be creative. You can be so creative with butter icing. Remember I said this video is on how to make butter icing. Is the making of butter icing. But I want to show you some of the designs you can come up with using butter icing. You can just be creative with butter icing. So this is how the inside looks like, and I'll be scooping in the butter icing into this icing set, and I'll be showing you guys some of the designs you can come up with using just one nozzle. All right, you can just be as creative as that's one thing about butter icing. And there are some cakes, you see some butter icing cakes that are white in color. All right, vegetable shortening was used instead of butter or margarine. Vegetable shortening, it's white in color. So when you combine vegetable shortening, which is white in color, with icing sugar, which is white in color, you tend to get pure white butter icing. So like I said, you can use vegetable shortening, which is white in color. All right, and you can also use butter and margarine. So this is a perfect butter icing recipe. So guys, you can just come up with different designs using just one nozzle. And like I said, you can just be creative with butter icing. You can just be creative with butter icing. So I'm just trying to show you what I'm talking about. So like I said, this is a piping set which you can use to put nice design on your cakes. You can use it to design your cupcakes, use it as a border. So this shape I'm doing now is nice for borders. All right, so using one nozzle, you can come up with different design. Like I said, you can just be creative with butter icing. That is one thing about butter icing. can just be creative with it. You can use it as a border on fondant cake, as borders on fondant cakes. So guys, that is it. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to try it out, like, share, and also subscribe. See you in my next shot. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.